Lisa, is it a pretty fall day outside? Is it pretty out? Do you have on your pumpkin shirt?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. And your shoes with the flower? Where's your shoes with the flower? Oh, there they are. Are those good jumping shoes? Oh, yeah. Show me how you jump. Oh, yeah. That is good jumping, girlfriend.
The flowers.
The flowers. Yay! It's fall. Go, girl. Go, girl. Go, girl, go, girl, girl, girl. Are you going to jump that bow right out? The bow? You look pretty. Your shoes. Pretty fall shoes. Miles likes them too.
Flower.
The flower.
Little shoe.
Pretty shoes. You want a waffle?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Waffle, please.
Little two flower.
Okay.